Hello friends, welcome to yet another video on essential life skills with me, Richa. Today we are going to talk about a topic which is especially very interesting for the ladies listening to this video. We are going to talk about how to lose weight without losing your mind. Well, this ever-present battle of trying to lose extra kgs or unwanted kgs. In our country, we are bombarded with weight loss products and programs. Everywhere we look, it is low fat this or reduced calories that. In fact, new fitness clubs are coming up in every nook and corner of our society, and new books on weight loss programs are being published at a lightning speed. Well, with so much happening all around us, why is it that some of us are still not losing weight? To think about it, if we are bombarded with so many weight loss programs, new fads, new diets, rather even commercials nowadays are advertising new pills or new diets to lose weight. I believe I have finally found the answer of how to lose weight and keep that weight off. Keep watching on this video on how to lose weight without losing your mind. So friends, I'm going to share with you 5 techniques of how to lose weight without losing your mind. My tip number 1 is stop weighing yourself daily. Well, it's important. I know you might think that weighing yourself is very important in case you are planning to lose weight, but becoming obsessed about getting up on the weighing scale and looking at your weight can be a disorder or an addiction. So hence I would say stop weighing yourself daily, and because of the fact that it might just make you teary-eyed or you might just feel low and demotivated if you do not see the numbers moving down. Well, I would rather suggest an interesting thing over here. What you can do is take a kind of a dress or a shirt that you really want to fit into, keep that in front of you as a motivating factor, try and wear it every couple of days. At times what happens is you might not lose weight in kgs, but you might lose weight in inches, which is a very good thing. So stop trying to become obsessive by losing weight, by all the time weighing yourself. So weighing machine should be kicked out of your house. Do not keep yourself obsessed by weighing yourself daily. That's my tip number 1 in order to lose weight without losing your mind. Friends, my second tip in order to lose weight without losing your mind is you need to set some goals for yourself. These goals should be monthly or quarterly goals so that you know that you are on the right track. If you say to yourself, I'm going to lose weight, well, it doesn't solve the purpose, because when will you lose weight? How much will you lose weight is not defined. So you need to make a monthly target or a weekly target or a quarterly target for yourself. I am going to lose such and such weight in such and such timelines. And that, my dear friends, is very important, because you need to know your target for losing weight. So that's tip number 2, set quarterly targets, or rather set targets for yourself, goals for yourself to reach your ideal weight. Friends, my third tip in order to lose weight without losing your mind is stop counting calories. Let go of your obsession with clean eating and calorie counting. I had this very interesting example I'm going to share with you. I had a friend of mine a couple of years back, and whenever she used to go out to eat in restaurants, she used to always calculate the calories. So she used to eat a piece of pizza and calculate, oh, I'm eating 50 calories. She used to have a glass of chocolate milkshake and she used to calculate 200 calories. So in this way, she used to keep calculating the calories that she was eating. That, my dear friends, can become an obsession. So when you go out to eat, it's not important that you have to count your calories every time. Yes, it's important to eat healthy, it's important to have clean eating habits. But at the same time, let's not forget, it's good to cheat once in a while, and do that during the weekends. Allow yourself to eat whatever you feel like eating. Do not starve yourself. That's an absolute no-no. Whenever you want to lose weight, it's very essential that you stop starving yourself. Stop following these fad diets which keep coming up in the market, because they are absolutely a big no-no. So trust your instincts. Eat whatever you feel like eating, but do not count your calories every time. Do not become obsessed about losing weight. And that's when you actually start losing weight, when you're not obsessed with it. So that's my third tip in order to lose weight without losing your mind. Stop counting the calories. Friends, my fourth tip in order to lose weight is you need to practice mindfulness. Now, what do I mean by mindfulness? you need to become very mindful whenever you're eating anything. So in case you're eating a particular, a piece of bread or some yogurt, try and feel it with all your five senses. Taste it, smell it, really, feel the aura of eating whatever you are eating. And that's very important, because whenever you're trying to lose weight, you need to become really mindful about what you're eating. So stop every other activity, stop your television, stop talking to people, whatever is something that's distracting you. When you're eating your food, whatever it may be, a fruit or a vegetable, just be simply mindful of it. That's my fourth tip in order to lose weight without losing your mind. So friends, my last tip, the fifth tip in order to lose weight without losing your mind is start your day with a little self-love. Well, you need to love yourself the way you are. You might be out of shape, you might be fat, plump, etc., whatever you might be. But it's important not to be overly critical and self-judgmental. Accept you are the way you are, and that's very important, to love yourself, love your body. It's important not to get distracted by celebrities having, or rather flaunting, the perfect figures and having the perfect bodies that we see in our heroes and heroines of the movies. Well, they are who they are, and it's important that you believe in yourself and you accept yourself the way you are. So start with a little bit of self-love, and that's very important. Stop eating to numb your emotions and start eating to nourish your body. A lot of times what happens is we get very stressed out in this kind of work environment we stay in. We are stressed out in our personal and professional life, and at times we eat just for the heck of eating our food. That's wrong. Do not eat food just for the heck of it. Eat food when you are hungry, and that's very important to lose weight. So friends, these were my 5 tips in order to lose weight without losing your mind. So friends, a quick recap on how to lose weight without losing your mind. Tip number 1 is set monthly targets or goals. Tip number 2 is stop calorie counting. Tip number 3 is stop weighing yourself daily. Tip number 4 is embrace mindfulness. And last but not the least, tip number 5 is start by applying whatever you have heard and loving yourself the way you are. Stop striving to have the perfect body. Love yourself the way you are. So friends, we had a lovely time teaching you this module on how to lose weight without losing your mind. All the best to all of you who are trying to lose weight. Just try and follow these 5 tips that we have shared. Till then, keep watching. Thank you so much for watching us.